Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Moving Beyond arcmutext by Katharina discusses ways to handle concurrency in Rust without relying solely on arcmutext, which can introduce performance bottlenecks and complexity. The tutorial primarily focuses on leveraging other synchronization mechanisms and patterns available in Rust to achieve better concurrency and performance. Key concepts. 1. Arc and mutex. Arct is a thread-safe reference-counted pointer. Mutext provides mutual exclusion, allowing only one thread to access the data at a time. 2. Limitations of arcmutext. Performance issues due to locking overhead. Possible deadlocks if not managed properly. Potential contention with multiple threads trying to lock the mutex. 3. Alternatives. rwlock allows multiple readers or one writer, improving performance in read-heavy scenarios. Channels, used for message passing between threads, avoiding shared state. Atomic types, 4 simple data types that can be modified safely without locks. Thread pools, managing a fixed number of threads to handle tasks without creating and destroying threads frequently. Example, using rwlock. Here's a simple example to illustrate the use of rwlock for concurrent read and write access to shared data. Explanation of the example. 1. Arc and rwlock. The shared data is wrapped in an arc rwlock I32, allowing multiple ownership and safe mutable access. 2. Reader threads. Multiple threads are created to read the value. They acquire a read lock using data_clone.read. Multiple readers can acquire the lock simultaneously, which is efficient for read-heavy scenarios. 3. Writer thread. Only one writer can acquire the lock at a time using data_clone.write. This ensures that writes are atomic and consistent. 4. Thread joining. The main thread waits for all spawned threads to complete their execution by calling join on each handle. Conclusion. By using rwlock instead of mutex, we can improve performance in cases where reads are frequent and writes are infrequent. The example above provides a basic illustration of how to implement concurrency in Rust without relying solely on arcmutext. For more advanced use cases, consider exploring other options such as channels and atomic types, which can further help in moving beyond the traditional mutex approach in Rust.